Hi, I'm Judy Craig with Edina Realty. Prepping a home for being on the market is pretty essential and critical. This home was the hub of the neighborhood, and when I first met these sellers a year ago, there was worn carpet. This was a well-loved house, and kids were in and out of this all the time. So we went through a very mindful process of walking through the things that they needed to do to prep the home to be on the market. They've added new light fixtures. They've changed even some of the woodwork to be enameled white woodwork because that's in style now. They added backsplash. They've added beautiful solid surface countertops. They upgraded their cooktop and appliances, and all of these things take time, and you want to make mindful choices as you're doing this. So when you're prepping a home for being on the market, it's not just staging with furniture. You're looking at, well, how does the house fit now to current standards. This house was built in 1999. It feels like completely brand new right now, and it's ready for the next homeowners. This is part of the services that we provide as part of the Craig Group as you're prepping your home for the market. If you're thinking about selling in the next year or two and you want to make these same mindful decisions, please call me 651-303-1200. Thanks.